Have you ever paused and pondered about the quality of the medicines you consume? Well, the answer may be more complex than you think. In the current fiscal year, the Department of Drug Administration tested a mere 348 samples of medicines, out of nearly 20,000, both registered and unregistered in the market. These were collected by drug inspectors from across the country and were suspected to be substandard. Narayan Dakal, Director General of the department, shared a concerning fact. He stated, "Some samples of medicines collected by our drug inspectors some 13 months ago are yet to be tested. Some samples suspected to be substandard and collected for a quality test might already have expired." This paints a bleak picture of the state of quality control in the realm of medicine. The Department of Drug Administration holds the responsibility of ensuring the quality of medicines being prescribed to patients. Their drug inspectors collect samples of medicines on a random basis from the market and send them for lab tests at the National Medicines Laboratory under the department. But with several samples of medicines tested this fiscal year found to be substandard and recalled from the market, it's evident that the samples tested by the department are not sufficient to ensure the quality of the medicines. Dakal concedes, "We have tested too few samples, and the fact is some medicines on which tests were done were found to be substandard, which means other drugs in the market also could be problematic. Patients might have been taking substandard medicines." Experts agree, stating that the use of substandard medicines could adversely affect patients' health. The burden of ensuring the quality of the medicines also falls on the drug manufacturing companies. Dakal admits, "I must concede that we have not tested nearly enough medicines to ensure quality. Several factors including understaffing are responsible for this." With only around 40 staffers at the National Medicines Laboratory, the capacity to carry out timely tests is severely limited. The quality of medicines in Nepal has always been an issue, as the national drug regulator grapples with a staff crunch and its laboratory doesn't have the capacity to carry out timely tests. Drug inspectors take random samples of drugs and send them for testing. If drugs are found problematic or substandard, the department directs the manufacturing companies to recall those drugs from the market. However, there's no effective mechanism to ensure the recall either. Delays in testing at the laboratory mean that results come in only after all the substandard drugs in the market have been sold. With just around 24 drug inspectors tasked with monitoring over 21,000 registered pharmacies and thousands of unregistered ones, the inspection work is a daunting task. The department's laboratory is understaffed with several posts for technicians remaining vacant, and it takes several months to examine some medicines. So the next time you take a pill, consider the journey it took to get into your hands, and the many hands it passed through unchecked. Demand better regulation, demand better quality, because your health is worth it.